Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to get rid of this error over here if you have more than one GPU and you are trying to mine using, let me show you, this version of zec.miner. So in order to solve that, you have to go to the folder where you have the miner, search for the config file. You can see this is the config file. I have a few more, but they are just copies, so don't worry about them. Just open this config file with Notepad. I have opened it here, and you'll see here at CUDA devices it is a 0 written, so this stands for the first GPU. Let me just show you. If I start the miner, you can see that the device 0 it's running, the device 1 it's not running. So what you have to do, close the miner, go to the config file, put a space between and a 1. So now you will have the GPU 0 and the GPU 1 running. Save this. So I will hit Ctrl S and let's see now. You can see that the device 1 is also running. So that's all. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.